Aaron J. has a question. Great, thanks. My question is regarding the Library of Alexandria. I might be mistaken on this, but I believe Dr. Price's position is that Christians are in fact responsible for the destruction of the library. However, I've also seen arguments saying that it was not the Christians that were responsible, and that claims it was Christians. The Christians were made up as a cover to divert responsibility onto them. Can Dr. Price talk about the evidence for both sides and why he believes one case is stronger than the other?
I was not able to do a very good job of it, I'm afraid, but from what I have heard, there have been three claims that it was Christians that burned it, that it was Muslims who did much later, and I don't know if there's any real reason to think either one of them, or that it was Caesar's troops who accidentally burned it because they set fire to wooden boats in the harbor and it spread and destroyed the library. And I don't remember the relative arguments, but it seemed to me at the time, I thought the Roman destruction by accident was the cause.
Yeah, I'm going to get Tim O'Neill at some point to come on the show because he writes a lot on the history of things. He's a big history junkie, if you will. And he wants to come on, and I think he also tries to, if you will, he writes bad history for atheists, like atheists that believe in bad history. And one of those things I think he is against is that notion that Christians were really responsible. But a lot of atheists say no, Christians were. And then like there's a whole bunch of baggage that comes against Christianity because of it. Like, oh, you set us back 1,000 years, and the destruction of this library has like destroyed hidden knowledge that we would know it. We'd be advanced in technology and all these things, like blame Christianity being anti-scientific. And
well, in that case, I guess they do know what was in the library. If they're so sure that they had blueprints for anti-gravity devices and stuff like that. You don't know. It may have been a bunch of recipes. It might have. Who knows what was or wasn't in there.
Interesting. Yeah, I'm going to have him come on sometime to talk about, I think he takes that position, if I'm not mistaken, the accident, or the Romans they accidentally, or even the librarians and those who worked there may have left something in the basement, if I'm not mistaken. Something might have happened, but I don't know. Thank you, Dr. Bob.